Hi guys, this is Cinema is the Language. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, a movie by Sharan Sharma featuring Janhvi Kapoor and Pankaj Tripathi in lead roles. It's a movie based on the life of Gunjan Saxena, an Air Force pilot who served India during the Kargil War. In this review, our aim is to discuss whether Gunjan Saxena deserves all the praise that it's receiving and where does it rank as a biopic. In terms of a biopic, it can at best be called an average, if not a bad movie. Let me tell you why. But before that, let's take a look at the plot. The movie starts with little Gunjan in Lucknow, who is fascinated by aeroplanes and decides to become a pilot at a very young age. She is supported throughout the movie by her passionate, loving, and quite progressive father, played by Pankaj Tripathi. But her dreams are getting crushed as the middle-class family fails to manage the hefty amount needed to become a pilot. At this critical time, they get to know Indian Air Force is recruiting female pilots. For the first time in history, Gunjan applies for it and eventually gets it. She thinks all her dreams are going to be fulfilled, but just the opposite happens. We find out she is the only female at the base and she has to overcome a lot of physical and mental challenges to become a pilot. Now, for any biopic to be successful, it needs strong performances from its cast and mainly from its protagonist. Janhvi Kapoor suffers terribly as Gunjan. Never in the movie, her portrayal of this brave officer becomes believable to us. During the first half of the movie, she is basically a typical Papa Ki Nanni Pari with a dream to fly an aeroplane. There is no arc in her character. After she is recruited as an officer and her training begins, we again fail to see any changes in the way she speaks or her body language. I could never stop comparing these training sequences with Vaag Milkha Vaag, but where Farhan Akhtar did the job brilliantly, Janhvi Kapoor does it just as terribly. I personally never believed in the authenticity of the character, but Pankaj Tripathi shines as her father as always. He delivers his dialogues as realistically as possible. Supporting cast with actors like Angad Vedi, Vinit Kumar Singh and Manav Vees does a pretty well job too. In fact, they often saves a scene through their acting. The plot can be broadly divided into two parts. The first half focuses on the life of Gunjan before she joins the Air Force. It took almost half of the movie, whereas it could have been shown in 10 minutes. Practically nothing happens in this time and you could feel like forcing yourself to watch the movie. The movie gets its pace after the trainings of Gunjan starts and becomes quite enjoyable. Gunjan is faced with a lot of practical problems like not having a place to change her uniform or even a lack of female washroom. She is never treated well by her male colleagues and is humiliated quite often. The director Sharan Sharma, who is also the writer along with Nikhil Malhotra, decides to showcase Gunjan's personal struggles to shine in her career in a male-dominated patriarchal field. The impending Kargil war remains at the backdrop. This is to me a quite brilliant choice, but the execution is poor. Cinematography by Manoj Nandan was very good throughout. The aerial shots are very enjoyable and never repetitive. The music is given by Amit Trivedi and you would find songs to be very soulful, but again background scores are not up to the mark. Many reviewer believes that it's a brilliant movie because it contains a strong social message and shows how patriarchy operates in limiting a woman in her careers and how society as a whole sees a woman. For us though, it's a movie first and not a social commentary. A movie has to be solid in terms of writing, direction and acting to be a good one, but Gunjan Saxena lacks in all these departments. We are not saying it had to show overtly patriotic scenes. On the contrary, we are happy that it tried to observe the life of its protagonist from a neutral standpoint. But even in what it showed, Gunjan Saxena does not have the potential to be called a good movie. We will be back with a new movie soon. Till then, goodbye and take care. Also, let us know what do you think about this movie in the comment section. And please subscribe to our channel.